Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the version history name in your Google Docs document. So changing the name of your version history is very useful, especially if you want to organize a very long document or a document that you have been working with your friends and you want to keep track of them. So to do that, just go to this version history menu. And then it will open all the version history of the document. You can expand the section to see even more history. Let's say I want to change the name of this version. I'm going to click on it to see what it's going to look like. So this is a simple version of the document. Let's say I'm going to give it a name, no document without pictures. So just click on this more action and then click name this version. I'm going to call it no image. And you can click anywhere else to apply the setting. And there you go. That's basically how you can change the version history of your Google Docs document. I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you on the next video.